All right, first day in the shop. 1975 Norton. Been sitting a while. Side cover's gone, left. Let's see, the side stand's gone. Motor's been pulled out, no starter motor. Still running the original airbox. I'll try to convince the client to get rid of that. Left side cover's gone. Chain guard's gone. Bike is a little rough. Basically all there. Get it running. Probably take isolastics, tires, brakes, ignition system, clean the carburetors. That'll get it running, and then we can decide where to go from there. Probably new master cylinders and caliper rebuilds, front and rear. We'll see. You never know till you get into them.